appointment of officers, expert, professional and other employee of central authority. Good morning all of you. My name is Chandan Kumar Singh from Godda, district Godda, Jharkhand. The central government shall provide the central authority such number of officers and other employees as it considers necessary for the efficient professional of its functions under this act. The salary and allowances payable to and the others terms and conditions of service of the officers and others employees of the central authority appointed under this act shall be such as may be prescribed. The central authority may engage in accordance with the procedure specified by regulation such number of expert and professional of integrity and ability who have special knowledge and experience in the area of consumer right and welfare, consumer policy, law, medicines, food safety, health, engineering, product safety, commerce, economic, public affairs or administrations as it deems necessary to assist in the discharge of its functions under this act. Section 13 and Section 12 vacancy etc. not individual proceeding of central authority. Friends, Section 14 procedure of central authority. The central authority shall regulate the procedure for transactions of its business and allowance of its businesses amongst the chief commissioner and commissioners as may be specified by regulations. The chief commissioner shall have the powers of general superintendence, directions and control in respect of all administration matters of the central authority, provided that the chief commissioner may delegate such of the powers relating to administration's matter of the central authority as he may think fit to any commissioner, including commissions of regional officer or any other officers of the central authority. And 15 investigation wing. The central authority shall have the investigation wings headed by a director general for the purpose of conducting inquiry or investigation under this act as may be directed by the central authority. The central government may appoint to Director General and such number of additional director, general director, joint director, deputy director and assistant director from amongst persons who have experience in investigation and possess as qualifications in such manner as may be prescribed. Every additional director, general director, joint director, deputy director and assistant director shall express his powers and discharge his functions subject to the general control, supervisions and directions of the Director General. The Director General may delegate all or any of his powers to the additional Director General or Director, Joint Director or Deputy Director or Assistant Director as the case may be with conducting inquiries or investigation under this Act. This inquiries for the investigation made by the Director General shall be submitted to the central authority in such form, in such manner and within such time as may be specified regulations. And 15 completed. And section 16, power of district collector. Section 16, the direct collector by whatever name called may on a complaint or on a reference made to him by the central authority or the commissions of a regional office require into or investigation complaint regarding violations to write the commission as class on matters, regulations to violence of consumer right, unfair trade practice and false or misleading advertisement with the jurisdiction and submitted his report to the central authority or to the commissioners of regional office as the case may be. Section 14, 15 and 16. 14 केंद्रीय प्राधिकरण की प्रक्रिया, 15 अन्वेषण का खंड एंड 16 जिला कलेक्टर की शक्ति रिलेटेड टू कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 2019. And next video